Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'm ready.
Wait, let's move this. Hi guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm with Nicole again.
Hello.
And we're gonna cook a gourmet meal that's very hard to make. And we know that you need our guidance for it. So
Yes.
we're bringing it to you. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Water.
Boiling water. Yes?
So Nicole has this bougie water filler above her stove. Put salt in your water. It makes it boil faster. Oopsies. I spilled.
That's okay. Cheers.
Alright, okay, so next we're going to cook the watermelon.
This is a big cutting board. Okay, it's so big. I'm gonna cut my fingers off.
Don't do that with your fingers.
Open. Good. Good, good. Put it on the side and cut it. This might be easier.
Maybe?
Yeah. Alexa, play Pandora.
Yeah, Alexa.
Getting the last Pandora station you listen to. Benjamin Francis Leftwich Radio.
Lucky, do you want this? And there's also some right left. It's just watermelon. Eat it. Eat it. I think he's scared. Almost there. Very close. Okay. So, half the noodles.
So the water's boiling, so we're taking these Celatani noodles.
Yes.
And we're going to put half of the box into the boiling water.
Sure, perfect. Guys, this is my dog. His name is Loki. His name, yeah.
Not low key. Low key. Low key? Low key.
Yeah, he's a Bachon Frise.
A mushroom fry.
A Bachon Frise. Last time we cut the bread and let Ethan cut it, and he sliced his finger. It was just a little one. It's like a paper
Rookie
cut.
mistake. A good thing for you guys.
No one knows who Ethan is.
We're not rookies. We're professional chefs. As I've stated 3 times.
Maybe you should.
While cutting bread, make sure you use a serrated knife.
It makes it way easier.
They are made for bread cutting. This I learned in foods, the class.
Okay. Hey, get down, dog.
Take a noodle out
What?
and place it on the counter. But make sure that there's no water inside because it will burn you. Especially if it's in your mouth, it will burn your tongue. Once the noodles are done cooking, you're gonna pour the water out into the sink, preferably.
In a strainer, though.
In a
Not just
strainer.
in a.
Next.
Shake them up a little.
So once those are strained, you're gonna put them back in the pot on the stove, no heat. Oh yeah. And then you're gonna open your sauce of choice. We're using Hy-Vee Creamy Alfredo. It actually smells good. This was the cheapest one.
A little bit more.
Okay, so then, time to serve. Okay guys, so that is it for our dinner. We got some pasta, we made some bread, some watermelon, and we got some grape juice. It's gonna be a good meal.
great time.
Thanks for cooking with us. I know that you learned a lot from us because obviously we're like professional chefs and we do this every day. So cheers to us.
Cheers.
Okay guys, make sure that if you haven't, you subscribe to my channel.
Yeah,
And
give it a thumbs up.
Yeah. Leave a comment. What do you want to see next? I need some ideas. Throw them at me.
We can bake.
Yes. Do you want us to bake?
Yeah, tub of slime.
yeah.
We can buy a little kiddie pool.
We're gonna make a tub of slime. If you haven't heard a song about that, you should check out my other video with Nicole. We made slime. It was a pretty great time. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye. That tasted very good.
Like fresh squeezed grape,
Yes.
straight from the feet of a
Oh
leprechaun.
my gosh, can we talk in British accents for the rest of the video?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this song.
Okay.
Noodles, noodles.
Give me what you think fits me best.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a crab.
Why?